Okay, so this is going to be a unboxing video for a fragrance that I bought from Notino. So I thought it'd be interesting if you do want to purchase anything from Notino, you can see how the packaging is. I know that Brad is very excited for this video.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
So this is the box that it comes in, just your standard box with your Notino label. So if we open the box, so what I've got here is a free sample of eccentric molecules, molecule 01. So this is 2 ml. So yeah, not bad. I like this one as well, so I'm happy that I got this as a free sample because I actually will use this. So the fragrance that I purchased from Notino, so nothing else that's in the box. Wrapped very well. So this is Bleecker Street by Bond Number 9. So this one I've always had to buy samples or bottle decants just because I couldn't actually afford to purchase a full bottle. So coming to a bit of cash that I saved up, so I managed to buy a full bottle, which I'm really happy with. So I think the casing for the bottle looks really nice. So don't know what this is. So it looks like it's giving you a bit of a New York City map. Oh, it gives you a bit of a breakdown of all the Bleecker Street fragrances. So yeah, that's nice little touch to the box. So let me open the box. Let's have a look inside it, how this looks. So I actually love the bottle for Bleecker Street. So here's the bottle that you get for Bleecker. Fantastic design for me. So let me just have a look. It looks like there's some stuff inside the box. Let's have a look inside the box. So inside the box you've got, so it looks like you've got a postcard from Bond Number 9. So it's just basically inviting you to an insiders club, and it's like a sort of membership. So I don't know what that membership is or what that entails. And then in the front you've got a overview of how Bond Number 9 was conceived or created. So yeah, that's a nice little touch. And just see if there's anything else in here. I think this is just like a little stand, I think, for the box. Yeah, just a little stand for the box. So yeah, really happy with this. I've always wanted a full bottle, and yeah, that's my unboxing for a delivery from Notino for the fragrance Bond Number 9 Bleecker Street.